Hey people, I'm going to be doing a hard drive replacement on the Asus TP500L laptop. It's the 360-degree flip. One of those laptops that can flip over, so you can use it as a tablet or whatever. Apparently the hard drive is corrupted on this, so I'm going to be replacing it. What we'll do is turn it over on facing the back panel and remove these 10 screws off the back panel. Those are removed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a flat object with a flat point and like a plastic scribe or something, or a small flathead screwdriver, and go and pry this up, pry the corners up, pry the bottom cover up and off of the computer. Apparently I'm going to need two hands to do it, so I'm going to pause this. Stick it in the grooves, in the gaps, and pry it up. You go all the way around. Remove it. Okay, those are all the internal components. This is the hard drive that I'm going to be replacing. This is the battery. Apparently the battery's inside, so I'm going to disconnect the battery so I won't accidentally power it on the system while I'm working on it, because that wouldn't be good. So this is the battery connector right here. We do undo this little latch right here, push that back, okay, and you lift this up, lift up the connector. Be very, very careful. Precision is the key. You'll wiggle it from each side. Now we can get to work. Now there's 4 screws over here securing the hard drive. You want to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What we do now, take this tab right here and just pull it from the connector, remove it. Now this bracket, I'm going to have to transfer this bracket onto the new hard drive that I'm going to be putting in here, and this sponge right here just comes off. This is just, taped on there. So I'm going to be removing this and removing this bracket. There's 4 screws to remove the bracket and put it on the other hard drive, and just reverse the steps. Alright, putting the new hard drive in now. Push it in the slot. Return the 4 screws where they belong. Get the battery, reconnect the battery. Secure. Put the cover back on. Line it up with the holes. Press it down until you hear the snaps. And put the screws back in. Alright, now about to connect the external DVD and reinstallation disc. There you have it. Thanks for watching. This is Technosis Fix. Until next time.